Hi guys, here we've got OPPO A77 5G, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first, open the settings, then find and select personalizations, go with all needed agreements and click on wallpapers. Now select the source from which you want to select your wallpaper. It can be one from your own albums or one from default wallpapers. So let me pick, for example, this one. Obviously you can scroll. Actually you need to tap on particular option to see how it looks on your screen. And let me apply, for example, this one. Click on apply and then decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. And that's it. That will be all. As you can see, here it is on both home and lock screens. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.